Hi guys, Bobby D here. Welcome to today's video where I'm going to show you a 100% free site where you can make up to $500. Yep, it's true. I know people that are using this method. I've heard of it before and it definitely works, guys. So keep watching. I'm going to show you exactly what you need to do. So what am I going to show you in this video? I'm going to show you where to go, what website you need to go to. I'm going to show you how you can earn money daily. This is newbie friendly. Absolutely anyone can do this. And you can do it over and over and over again, okay? And the best bit, it works worldwide because you get paid via PayPal. As long as you've got PayPal, you can get paid with this method worldwide, okay? Really, really good. This is a great method if you just need a bit of spare cash. Christmas is coming out. This is a great time to start doing this. And, it's not going to get you rich, but it's for those one-off bits of cash that you need. This is a great method to do it. Now, before we go on, guys, please do me a favor. Hit the subscribe and hit that bell. Why? That way you get to see my latest videos first. I upload videos on a daily basis. They all work. I upload make money videos. I upload affiliate review videos. And this is your chance to make some serious money online. Okay, once you know how to do it, it's easy, just like me. I do this part-time. I work 70, 80 hours a week in my full-time job. I've got 6 kids. I absolutely work like a dog. I do this part-time and I make easy $100 a day using this. And it's just free money for me. It's just extra money and you can do it too. So to help you guys out, I'm offering some free training today. All you've got to do is go to the comments below. See the little bit here that says get my free training. Click that link, guys, and that will take you to 7 videos that I've put together all about how I got started in affiliate marketing and how you can too. Like I said, it's easy once you know how. So like I said, let's get on with it. Hit the subscribe, hit the bell. I'll be very grateful and let's get on with the method. Okay guys, so this is the website. It's called squadhelp.com, squadhelp.com. Now, I'm actually going to show you a little cheat way of doing this as we get into the video, so keep watching and it's really important that you get this bit because I can make your life a lot easier. So this is basically a website that companies want you to come up with a brand name for their company or a product. Now that sounds complicated, but it's actually not. They also sell names. It's the largest naming community, the largest naming platform in the world, actually. And it's really good. And like I said, I've seen this before, and I know somebody who actually made some money on this. I can't remember how much it was, but so it definitely works. And they do naming contests. So what you do is just go up here to contests, because this is what we're interested in, and go to, well, let's do recent winners first, and I'll show you how it works. So these are names that people have put forward. So this company wanted a brand name for a cannabis brand, and it came up with Q Andy. This one here wanted a logo for Cornerstone Rehabilitation. It was a logo. They got paid $300. All right. Like I said, it does logos on here. Brand name for a fitness brand, Fitnessage, $200 they got. Private label to sell on Amazon, Wellens, $300. Brand name for a baby brand, Lullabear, not bad, $100. You know, really easy money and really easy names there. So if you go to contests, again, active contests, let's see what is going at the moment. They want a CBD brand and logo, logo tagline, that's probably quite an easy one, $300. And they want a tagline for their company, and they are paying $300 for the winning tagline. A product name for a food and beverage business. Logo for a coffee and roastery shop, $300. Brand name for a startup, $300. and you can do a search here for people that pay $300 or more. You know, really, really good opportunity to make some money. Now, you might not know anything about this. This is where I'm going to help you now. So let's go to, let's just take off that. I don't want a logo. I want a product name for a food and beverage business. So this is what you can do. We can go into it here. They're paying $300. Now, you might not know a good name, but product name for a food and beverage business. So let's just highlight that. We're going to jump across to a website called Namelix. That's NAMELIX.com. Now, there's loads of these sites, but this is a name generator. So enter keywords. Food is a keyword. Beverage is a keyword. Generate. So have a medium name and a short name. Brandable names, multiple names. And let's go brandable names. So these are the ones it's come up with. Mealy, I like that a lot already. Food Key, not great. Dinely, Mesh Food, Foodizo, M Food, F Food, Food Ring. Now the reason it's saying some of these you've got to pay for, they're premium, you're paying for the domain. But you don't, you know, I would jig that around. So instead of dining.ly, see if there's dining.com or dining with 2 G's, you know, play it around. Nutric, very good. Very good, Nutric. That is worth buying that. Foodini, really good. Let's click that. I like that a lot. It's probably the best one. You know, you can buy that for $25, that logo, right? Foodini, that is really good. Let me just try something. So Foodini, for those of you that also know me, I buy and sell domains. I've got hundreds, and I brought out my own domaining course called Flipperdom. I really like that. So I've just zipped over to GoDaddy. Now foodini.com is gone, but you've got foodini.co.uk, .net, .org, .info. You know, it's worth probably grabbing that. And if anyone wants to make any money now, I'm not going to buy it. I've got hundreds. That is a good website to buy, guys. Foodini. That is a really, really good website to buy. Put that on Flipper on a basic little website. I'm going a bit off key here. You could probably sell that for $125 easy. All right. There's a little tip that we've gone off key about. So that is a really good website. Have a look at that. Namelix.com. Namelix.com. So let's just go back here again. Just go back to contests. So you see how it works. Really, really easy site. Real good opportunities, and they pay some crazy money on there. You know, how quick was it to find that site? Really good. You know, and just play around with it. Foodini, call it Foodtini, Foodlini, Foodlinguini. You know, play around with it, and really, really good. In fact, now I'm looking at this website again, and I think I'm going to have another go at it because I'm quite good at thinking up brand names. And that Foodini, that is a winner, guys. That is an absolute winner. So that is the site, really. Squadhelp.com. And if you jump across to Google, just type in company name generator. There's loads on here that you can use. Loads and loads of different ones if you don't want to use the first one. So just do food, beverage. Now this one isn't so great, but you know, there's loads of big box food. That's good. That's really good. Again, that is another great word. Big box food stands out. It jumps out at you. That is another good site, guys. So really interesting. Definitely ways to make money using this. And, you know, jump all over it. Absolutely jump all over this. There are different levels on here. The more you participate, the higher level we get. So it's not all the competitions you can enter straight away, but there are plenty on there. And these are some of the ones that they're selling. You know, gym with 2 M's, $49,000. Are you joking? You know, well, that's not worth that, but that is, you know, that is how easy it is. Naturalness, you know, we say that all the time. $9,000. Better Books, really good one there. Where's the? I like the food ones because the food ones are quite easy to think of. Bliss and Peace. I don't like that. I like the one-word ones are ideal, is what you want. One-word sort of domains. But anyway, that's it, guys. Take action. Have a look. Download my free videos below. I'm Bobby D. Thanks for listening. See you later.